Rolls-Royce has recently announced a significant investment of £300 million to expand its Goodwood factory in West Sussex. This move aims to meet the growing demand for bespoke luxury vehicles and to facilitate the company's transition from V12 petrol engines to battery electric vehicles. In 2024, Rolls-Royce recorded its third highest annual sales, delivering 5,712 cars, with the Cullinan SUV, Spectre electric vehicle, and Ghost being top sellers. The company plans to phase out its V12 engines by 2030, aligning with its commitment to an electric future. In the aerospace sector, Rolls-Royce has secured a £9 billion, 8-year contract with the UK Ministry of Defence to design, manufacture, and support nuclear reactors for the Royal Navy's submarine fleet. This contract underscores the company's pivotal role in national defence and its expertise in nuclear technology. Additionally, Rolls-Royce is set to provide nuclear reactors for the SSN-AUKUS class submarines, a collaborative effort between the UK, Australia, and the US under the AUKUS agreement. Financially, Rolls-Royce Holdings plc has demonstrated resilience in the market. On February 10, 2025, the company's stock rose by 1.76% to £6.13, outperforming the FTSE 100 index, which increased by 0.77% to 8,767.80. The stock is just 1.82% below its 52-week high of £6.25, achieved on January 24. This performance reflects investor confidence in the company's strategic direction and growth prospects. In India, Rolls-Royce has launched the Ghost Series 2, catering to the country's growing luxury car market. The company also announced plans to double its supply chain sourcing of critical parts from India over the next 5 years. This initiative includes sourcing complex components for advanced aerospace engines, naval propulsion systems, diesel engines, and gas turbine engines, highlighting India's strategic importance in Rolls-Royce's global operations. In regulatory news, the Federal Aviation Administration has issued an airworthiness directive concerning Rolls-Royce Trent XWB-97 engines, effective February 18, 2025. This directive mandates compliance with measures to address a critical safety issue, underscoring the importance of maintaining rigorous safety standards in aerospace engineering. On the automotive front, Rolls-Royce continues to push the boundaries of luxury and exclusivity. The company unveiled the Droptail, a full-sized luxury coach-built Grand Tourer, in August 2023. Limited to just 4 variations, the Droptail has become the most expensive new car in the world, with an estimated price exceeding $32 million. Each model features unique design elements, such as bespoke timepieces integrated into the dashboard, exemplifying Rolls-Royce's commitment to craftsmanship and personalization. In the realm of electric aviation, Rolls-Royce's Excel project has made significant strides. The Spirit of Innovation aircraft, part of this initiative, successfully completed its first flight on September 15, 2021. It subsequently achieved a top speed of 387.4 miles per hour, setting new world records for electric aircraft. This accomplishment highlights Rolls-Royce's dedication to advancing sustainable aviation technologies. In summary, Rolls-Royce is actively expanding its manufacturing capabilities, securing substantial defense contracts, and leading innovations in both luxury automotive and aerospace sectors. The company's strategic initiatives and investments underscore its commitment to excellence and sustainability, ensuring its continued prominence in the global market.